one of the essential parts of our life which makes this world easier to live and give us more freedom and a lot of ways to live differently. If we look to all countries around the world, we can notice that they improve quite a lot, and this development is the cause of the technology. The rise of communication technology come to make communication faster, more accessible and more efficient. It also catalyzes development and strengthens social networks. Communication technologies nowadays become the most important part of life. It plays an important role in our life. Today, it's much easier to communicate with others than a decade ago. We can send and receive messages instantly with a number of new technologies. This has improved our life in many ways by allowing us to become more interconnected and knowledgeable about the world. A decade ago, the only way for people to communicate with each other was meeting face to face or writing letters. However, people living or working in different countries might be unable to meet each other. Sending a letter might take them 4 or 5 days to receive. In the way of being delivered, many letters were lost or misplaced. Moreover, it costs lots of money for traveling and sending letters if people live too far from others. Nowadays, we are happy with the advance of new technologies such as email and mobile phones. People can talk with each other through mobile phones, chat through email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram if someone is not at home. We are used to communication every day to let people know what we are doing or thinking, even feelings, which people are received that by voice, picture, or chat. Communication technologies have made it simple to communicate to friends in the other side of the world by calling them using mobile phones, emailing them, and writing in our web pages using social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, or Messenger. Technology has indeed created an effective way for people to keep in touch with one another. Community technology is a tool like electronic mail and text messaging systems. It is more efficient to send the information within and outside of the organization. Communication technology sharing of information within an organization is very first with the use of decentralized computing systems. Communication technology makes the long-distance communication easier. With the help of communication technology, it has become easier to contact each business or family member although in long distance. This is good for business as they can set up shop online which allows people to buy goods internationally such as Shopee, Lazada and eBay. Communication technology open up face-to-face communication in the world. We can FaceTime to others through communication technology such as WeChat, Skype, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and Facebook. It brings people together across distance. Through the communication technology, the Global Positioning System (GPS) was designed. GPS is based partly on similar ground-based radio navigation system. It equipped with maps and locations from around the world. It can give direction with accurate. GPS can save you considerable amount of time navigating foreign areas, finding a local restaurant, or locating the nearest emergency service facility. Communication technology helps people easily communicate to others and makes life more convenient. In addition to this, many other resources are used by the majority of people to keep in touch with the world. The new technologies like television, radio, and the internet helps us to get information quicker and easier. If an earthquake occurs in Japan, French people will hear about this news only few hours later. Moreover, people can read books or download music, songs, movies, games, software, and pictures throughout the network. It is quite easy and cheap as some internet websites are free for accessing. Thanks to technology, people from all corners of the world are able to communicate with each other quickly and easily. Technology has built the strongest communication bridge among the people of the world which they can communicate to each other no matter where they are, and they can travel wherever they want These improvements of technology brings a lot of changes in the people's life and give more credit for these changes. In the coming years, we may hope to see an even greater number of new technologies are invented.